In this video, let's start learning about Learning Agent. Now, Learning Agent is a part of the Frontier program. So, Frontier program basically allows end users or community to provide a feedback about a specific agent which is still under development. So, Learning Agent is an AI powered assistant that is designed to enhance productivity by automating a specific task, offering uh, personalized training, uh, curated learning path. So it's all about learning. So learning agent helps you build that artificial intelligence and other workload related critical skills on the job. It provides quick and deeper learning opportunities, and it personalizes based on your current role, current skill set, work activity in Microsoft 365. Now, the learning agent, if you look into the capabilities of learning agent, is like first thing is it's all about personalized suggestion. So it is specifically tailored to you. It's a bespoke related response provided by an agent based on your current skill set or your metadata which you have fed into the Microsoft 365 uh, identity. Now, learning content based on your role, skills profile, and recent work activity in Microsoft 365. So, any interaction which you do with the documents or emails or Teams, it will first understand what all things you work on, what are the technology you specialize in, and if you have populated your skills or roles within Microsoft 365 identity, it will start getting those information and try to provide you some personalized suggestions. Copilot upskilling. So anything related to understanding, development, building of Copilot based application, dynamic steps and contextual text task based prompts basically help you boost your Copilot skills. So it will give you that guidance, it will give you that tips, it will give you that uh, content around uh, upskilling the Copilot technology. Now, the third feature set is all about LinkedIn role play. So you can actually practice the workplace scenarios with an AI coach. So if you have a LinkedIn subscription, you'll be able to perform that LinkedIn role play along with the learning agent. So it's like kind of an integration between LinkedIn and learning. It won't provide you a complete list of course, but then it will give you a bite size and structured opportunity so that you can learn in quick chat conversations in a longer form or in a longer form course like structures. Now, bite size structured coaching is all about giving you some piecemeal kind of a nuggets so that you first digest those information, and on basis of that you build on top of it, and then again you will be provided with some more advanced topics, and then you can excel on a specific workload. Now, adaptive learning. So, adaptive learning is all about testing your knowledge with skill assessment. So, there are skill assessments once you undergo a specific topic or course, and you can get customized learning plans to grow and achieve more. Again, as I mentioned to it, has got a tight integration with LinkedIn. Now, enterprise content integration. So, the suggestions which the Copilot provides that includes organizational resources like SharePoint sites to provide the most relevant content. Then there is a small module within the learning agent is all about gamification. So features like learning streaks make learning more fun and rewarding. So it's all about bringing that competitiveness in the learning space so that you work alongside with your colleague, and then you view how well are you progressing in terms of learning or grasping the latest skills provided by the learning agent. This is how the interface looks like. So once you navigate to m365.cloud.microsoft, here you get that learning frontier agent. If the agent is not installed, you will see an add button, so you need to click on add, and then once it is installed, you'll see an open button, and then you can open the agent. Once you open the agent, this agent looks a bit different. So as you see over here, unlike another agent, it has got some tiles, it has got some navigational component. So it has got some gallery control. So it provides you the tip. It will provide you some information from you, from your organization, and any recent activity. And then you can see what all things it provides. So there is a role play scenario, there is a testing your knowledge in AI, uh, achieving more in terms of asking questions to Copilot related to your current approach to learning. And if you want to learn something new about a new topic, you can directly ask Copilot. So it's all about learning. This is all about personalized learning. Now, one of the feature set is LinkedIn Learning. So in using LinkedIn Learning, you can perform various like say workplace scenario. So it will help you, train alongside uh, LinkedIn Learning. So that workplay is part of this agent as well. So I'll just show you in demo m365.cloud.microsoft. If you navigate to this URL under all agents, you should be able to see learning agent. Now, sometimes you may get confused with learning coach as well. So there is a learning coach. You may get confused with this, but this is something different. So learning coach is different, learning frontier is different. The one which we are talking about currently is the learning agent. So you navigate to the learning agent. Once you install it, you have an option to share the agent, pin the agent to the left menu, or uninstall. Now, if I go inside the learning agent, then an interface will open up. So as you see over here, this is quite familiar interface, but then this is a bit different than the other agents. As you can see the gallery control over here, we'll go through each and everything. Now, learning frontier agent. Now, if you want to view all the conversation that has taken place, you can click on it and then you can navigate to the conversation. Now, as I started it in the last week, I can see this is 1 week current streak. So I thought of triggering this agent and asking some questions to this agent. Now, if you see in this part, like you have this tab for you from your organization and then recent activity. So we'll go into each and every tab. So there's no recent activity. So if I go to from your organization, so explore a learning path. So what learning paths are available to me? If organization has provided me any learning path related to specific topic, I can have a look into that. Now then we have what learning academies do I have access to. Try Microsoft Copilot Academy to learn how to complete everyday tasks quicker. So again, this is a very good resource if for you if you want to explore Copilot related understanding. Navigate to Copilot Academy and then undergo some course in that. Make an impact. What skill should I learn to stand out and make an impact? So if you click on it, it will provide you that prompt, and then let's go ahead and see what it gives you back. So what skills should I learn to stand out and make an impact? So it will start looking into your profile, it will start looking into your information, it will start first understanding the uh, query. It will align the query with the professional development skills learning approach, and then it will start giving you that reasoning. So reasoning completed in 5 steps. So if you want to know what all things the agent has done, so it has mapped out the next step, it calculated the next steps, and then it has found some LinkedIn learning course. As I mentioned to you, it is tightly connected with LinkedIn learning, and then it is now collecting information about digital upskilling. It is collecting information from your Office 365 results related to the files which you have interacted. And now it has selected 3 crucial learning courses. So the secrets to success at work, stand out as power performer, and emotional intelligence skills. So it has identified those things. So as you see, it has given me this response. It has even acknowledged the questions like, love this question. It's exactly the kind of thinking that already sets you apart. So it motivates you, and then it starts breaking out the response in say bullet points. So high impact skills to focus on. So it has given me the suggestion to focus on the core power skills, relationship and influence, strategic and digital skills. Now, these are some of the suggestions it has provided. These are the basics that make people trust with you or important work: reliable execution and time management, clear written and verbal comms, ownership mindset. Now, how Copilot can help. So, it has even given you some information about how you can use Copilot to uh, increase your productivity. or improvise your knowledge in the AI space. So in Word or Loop, using Teams meeting, using Outlook or Teams, so it has given you that. Now the second bullet point is emotional intelligence and relationships. So it has given you some suggestions around that. I'm not going to go through each and everything, but I just wanted to show you the capability of the learning agent. So it is not all only about technical skills, but then it will help you build that emotional skills while building an application or understanding a specific topic. So it has given you strategic and entrepreneurial thinking. So, and then the recommended learning course. So it has given you the learning course within LinkedIn. So use your strengths for impact and influence at work, stand out as wow performer at work, and emotional intelligence skills to power your program. So if you just hover your mouse, you can see that that comes as a part of your, you can open that LinkedIn Learning in Viva Learning application. So if you have Viva Learning configured, you can view those things without leaving the Copilot interface. It has also given you the source from which it has fetched all this information. So you can see the author, you can see the content from which it has picked up all this information. Now, learning agent, again, if I go into learning frontier agent, I'll be seeing this particular tiles for you from your organization recent activity. Now it has given you a daily tip. So it says learn how Copilot can help in this task. Plan a meeting agenda by reviewing the past discussion thread for unresolved topics to cover. So it will help you generate a tip related to planning a meeting agenda for any specific topic. Also, you can ask questions like how can I strengthen my org wide visibility by identifying key forums. So if your organization has a lot of forums, how I can utilize to the best, how my impactful work can be shared across the organization, and any other influential stakeholders who can help build that relationship. I have something called as a role play scenario, so I can practice this with an AI coach, getting the sponsor you need. So I can go ahead and view this role play. I want to practice the following scenario, getting the sponsor you need, or maybe you can talk something about leadership. So what happens with this is like, if you execute this command, then it will take help of LinkedIn. So with the help of LinkedIn, it will start giving you those information. Now as you see, like it says, oh, that sounds like a great scenario, what is your role? So let's assume I'm a project manager. So I'm a project manager and I've given a specific topic related to getting the sponsor you need. Then it will start uh, understanding the particular context, and then it will connect to LinkedIn Learning, and then it will give you that scenario as well. So getting the sponsor you need, so the provider is LinkedIn Learning, role play is counterpart, executive leader, and potential sponsors. And then it says you will be redirected to LinkedIn to conduct this role play, and then you click on start role play, and then on the right hand side it will connect to LinkedIn. Now, I'll not go into this particular topic as of now, but then it will ask you to authenticate, and then you can perform that role play. Now, if I go into all agents again in the learning space, so go to not the people, but the learning agent. So let me go into all agents and learning agent. Now within the learning agent, we have seen like it is one section is tailored for you, one section is tailored from an organization perspective, so you can involve multiple people. Now if you involve multiple people, so from your organization, you can see that it talks about Copilot Academy, how you can make an impact, what skills should I learn to stand to make an impact, and what should I upskill to support company priority. So it will again look into the organization level details, and then it will tell you, oh, for your specific role, I think with the current the trend, you need to uh, undergo some courses. So you can just say, you can just specify this prompt, what should I upskill to support my company priority, and then it will give you that response back. Or alternatively, if your company already has some sort of a learning course designed for executives or managers, you can ask within this prompt as well. So what learning paths are available to me? And then here you get to see all the learning path, and then you can explore individual path, and it will give you some more path. Now if you want specifically about AI skills, you can just say show me learning path for the AI skills, and then Copilot will understand, and then it will start giving you more information around what course you need to undergo, either as a basic, either as a novice or an intermediate, or maybe an advanced AI user. So, so that's all about learning agent within Microsoft 365 Copilot. Thanks for watching.